One of the best 15-minute speeches I've ever heard was by my favorite Kentucky governor, Matt Bevin. Now this is going to raise a stir because in Kentucky, he's pretty much the bluegrass Donald Trump. He called a spade. He ran the state like a businessman, of which he was fairly successful. Anyway, he spoke of how we all live on a three-legged stool. Those three legs are our physical, our mental, and our spiritual being. And lots of us tend to work on two of those legs, not paying attention to any third. And it doesn't really matter which third that you're not working on. You can be academically or mentally strong and spiritually strong, but not working on your physical fitness. You can be book smart and working on your physical fitness, but never worshiping or finding your spirituality. Or again, any combination of picking two but leaving off the third. And the problem with that is this world is going to push you back. So if I'm working on my physical and it pushes me against that physical leg, then I can stand strong. If I've been working on my mental aspects and it pushes me against that mental leg, then I'm strong. But if I haven't been working on my spiritual leg and life rocks me back in that direction, then I'm going to fall back. I'm going to fall into depression, midlife crisis, suicidal thoughts, whatever. So no matter what goals in life you're chasing, who you are or what you're doing, work on yourself in these three areas, making sure that you're physically fit, mentally strong, and spiritually ready to take on the world.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.